So you looked at the moon from your room one night and you noticed it breaking up. Maybe the moon knows something up in its orbit crumbling. So you pick up the phone and you call her up. What do you find when she answers the line but a guilty stammering? She says it's over this time. So much for the solar system. Saturn casts away its rings. Neptune stands himself upright, and Jupiter pokes out his red eye. He can sympathize, 'cause breaking up feels like crumbling skies. Now you're alone in the clubs of your home from 6 p.m. till 2. Another bar, another bad time, but then Venus and Mars align. You're looking at her, she's looking at you. There's a star on the back of a sweater that's red like a glass of